Before he died, a father said to his son, "Here's a watch your grandfather gave me. It's almost 200 years old. Before I gave it to you, go to the jewelry shop in the city. Tell them that I want to sell it and see how much they offer you." The son went to the jewelry shop, came back to his father and said, "They offered $100 because it is so old." The father said, "Well, try the pawn shop." The son went to the pawn shop, came back to his father and said, "The pawn shop offered only $20 because it has a scratch." The father asked his son to go to the museum and show them the watch. The son quietly questions his father's judgment, but still willing to act on his last wishes. He went to the museum. When he came back, he said to his father, "The curator offered $375,000 for this rare piece to be included in their precious antique collection." The father responded, "I wanted to show you that the right place will value you in the right way. Don't find yourself in the wrong place and get angry because you are not valued. Never stay in a place where someone does not see your value or you don't feel appreciated." In relationships or their friendships, when it comes to their profession or their job, they know they are worth more, but they settle for someone else's definition of their worth. That is difference between the most and the few. That is the difference between the people who love life they have created for themselves and those who can't stand the life they are living. You have to know your worth. The people who love their life refuse to accept the opinions of small-minded people. They refuse to be put in a box. They will not be defined by anyone but themselves. They know that their value is set by themselves, by their own thoughts about who they are, not someone else's opinion of what they are worth. Don't let them put a price on you. Set your own price. Put yourself first. You must build your self-worth by the work you do every day. If you have someone in your life that tries to destroy your abilities in any way, the time has come to move those people along. It's time to awaken that part of you that demands more from your life. Because only you know what you are truly capable of. It's time to wake up and shock the world. Shock those who doubted you with a disturbing level of determination. Shock those who doubted you with a commitment to be excellence that can't be matched by those of weak heart. Who doubted you with the actions you take. Because only you know what you are truly capable of. Now you determine your value through your self-work, your self-education, your self-determination of your own destiny. The destiny that is in your own hands. The pride grows stronger every day from the work you put in. There is no tomorrow. Keep your worth and never ever settle for anything else.